over 3.2 million square kilometers. That's how big India is. Yet, it's only the big cities that get good service support for their durables and appliances. Customers living elsewhere are therefore forced to visit faraway cities to get their appliances fixed. Samsung decided to change this by launching fully equipped Samsung service vans. Press ads and articles in all major publications put the word out. Then an equally warm film matched this full-hearted initiative. As a result of the campaign, calls to the Samsung customer care number increased by 49% in just 1 month. Then came the cherry on the top. The Economic Times and Nielsen released their annual Most Trusted Brands of India list. And guess what happened? Samsung jumped from number 16 to become the second most trusted brand of India, Samsung's best ever showing, and a fitting tribute to our motto, "We'll take care of you wherever you are."